Starting the YouTubes. Starting the recording. Okay. Everything's looking fine. Nice. Alright. Bog. Okay. I have my drink. I have my water. And we're ready to go. I was thinking, actually, before we get ready to go, I was thinking, what if we find a snowflake texture? And just replace the bits for a texture as snowflakes. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Nora, hello. How you doing? How am I? How goes me? Good. I go good. Thank you for asking. Does anyone know good places to get open source textures? Maybe I should just look for it. We go, not open source, community, a free license, open, I don't know what the word is. Open source snow texture. Oh, that's not what we want. We don't want a snow texture. This is not quite what we're after. We want like we want a 2D texture, not a 3D material texture that is 2D. Snow free textures. Friend yours likes to mistranslate it on purpose. How walks it to you? I mean, it's more like how you're getting along as a closer direct translation, because like get is about traveling and you get places via methods. Wouldn't it be gang? No, it would be different. The getten? Is this a thing? Getten? Or is it gang? What is gang? Gang? There's no trailing G, just gang. I've forgotten. I haven't been keeping up with my German at all. It's bad. It is bad. Particles? How do I just want like a snowflake. Or maybe I should look for snowflake. Open source snowflake. Godot Rust, like Rust bindings? Yeah, correct. You're correct. 100% correct, Amundo. There's a whole library to make it so like delicious. Yeah, you have Rust running in Godot. It's fantastic. It's fantastic because I have a Twitch integration library that people use in Godot, but I don't have to deal with Godot. I just have to deal with maintaining it in Rust, which is what I use, and then it also updates in Godot. Easy peasy. It's very cool. We're working on this. Hello, Morty. Welcome in. Yo, how do I get a texture of just a singular snowflake? Is this something I can do? I just want one snowflake, please. Maybe like I found a place that has wallpapers that has many snowflakes in it. Maybe I just like download this and then cut out like all the one snowflake that looks good. And I hope it works as a texture, because I'm not seeing like just like one snowflake as a thing you can download as like a sprite. Maybe I should be looking for sprites instead of textures. Maybe this is why my search has failed me. I really don't know where we get like sprites from. How do people find any open source like textures and stuff? Snowflake sprite. Or maybe I should be looking at particles. So opengameart.org, it gave me a lot of sounds. We don't want sounds right now. Problem solved. Oh, good job. Well done. Well, they're not exactly, well, kinda. I want to improve this snowing one as well, but that's a different task entirely. Okay, browse to the art. Can I just look for search snow particle pack? Oh, did I find something? I sound like I have a congested nose. No, I'm just speaking quietly and don't know. I just woke up. I just woke up. That's a factor. Yeah, it was probably just that. Haven't warmed up yet. Not conscious. Oh no, the particle pack doesn't really have a snowflake. That's unfun. Yo, how hard is it to get a snowflake texture? Like, come on. Come the heck on. I mean, like, part of me is like, what if we draw it? But I can't draw this. You also just woke up? Nice. Nice. I'm having a hot chocolate right now with a hint of cinnamon. Yeah, this platformer pack is pretty poke. Nice. 80 plus particles. Is this 80 particles really? I mean, there's some here that are kinda snow-like. Did I take a break from streaming? Not intentionally. I sold my old computer, and then I flew all the way across the world, like from one end to the other end, and then I didn't have a computer for a while, and then I did, and then I started streaming again. So like technically, yeah, I did take a break, but I've been back for a little while now. I think. I've been semi-consistent. I think there's been at least one stream every week. Not sure though. I am getting back into the groove of it because we've been returning to our roots, like today and yesterday, working on overlay stuff. Very pog. Welcome back. 80 particles? That's always 81. True. So close. I'm not finding Snowflakes. Sprites. Libri sprite. Oh, I think I found one. Oh, it's part of the Unity asset store. Can I download this without Unity? License agreement. Oh, it's the standard Unity license agreement. In my day job, do I use AI to code? At the peril of my boss, no. No, I do not. Well, no, I don't use AI to code. This is no. Like sometimes if I have an SQL statement that like it's almost working, but I need like that one last like little bug to like fix it, because like I don't know, fucking it's like a big query that my manager made, and I don't really understand what it does, and I'm like, what if I ask AI, but only after I've tested myself and tried a few things, and then I'm like, well, I know exactly what I need to happen and where it needs to go. I just don't have the knowledge. But then when they do it, I do look through it and be like, yo, okay, that's the knowledge I need, and then manually type in the stuff I need the way I want it. Oh, my voice is dying. It's Nestatin. Yo, Astatin, how do I get a free sprite? I just want a snowflake sprite. How is this so hard? Like I wanna replace the bits texture. I believe it's a texture. Just with a snowflake. But I can't find anything. Also, Libri's sprite looks exactly like a sprite. What the? Mm, mm, mm. Interesting. The Sprite was originated as a fork of A Sprite. Oh. It's a fork made on the last commit covered by GPL version 2 license. You're gonna compile A Sprite for yourself if you want it for free. Yeah, Asterton told me this. I did not know this before. I was too poor to buy it back in the day, so I never bought it. And then I learned it was free, and I'm like, oh. Yo, do you think Asterton can make a snowflake sprite? What the? What does the bit texture look like? What does the bit texture look like? Because I don't know if I need to keep them the same size or not. Probably not, right? It's probably like a slap it in and you're done. You're done! My voice is dying. What the? Okay, it is. Oh, it's a rectangle shape. Help. Help is not what I wanted. Give me image properties. Is it not gonna give me image tags? No, I can tag it. Oh, it's 200 by 242. I don't think that's important though. I do not think that's important. Did I download snow particles? I don't remember if I found something or not. Oh, I found something that was kinda snowflake-like, but not really. Not really. Hmm. Snowflake. Yeah, I just thought maybe this would be like a 5 minute adventure. Just like grab a snowflake sprite and be done. Why is it like non-existent? Am I dumb? I might be dumb. Open source at Snowflake? Well, that's something else entirely. Fimsh, hello, tired beaver. Yeah, Fimsh, look at them go. Ultima inspired player sprite sheet for GBA. What the? GBA? Snow. The Fimsh? I want the snow. The snowflake. Yeah, maybe I'm just bad at finding open source stuff. I think this might be it. How could that be? There's no way. Okay, there's an icon pack. I found an icon pack. Maybe it'll do. What tickles? Set of hand-drawn hexagon something. Oh, these are all pixel art. Maybe they'll be fine. Maybe pixel art will be fine. Oh, they cost money. 14 euros. 14 euros. I don't have that spare. Wait, they're all exactly 14 euros. How all of them 14 euros? Filters. Usage. Exclude AI generated. Okay, might have a snowflake. That's where the 80, no more than 80 particles. Wow, but it's a particle thing, so they're not colored or anything, and it's not exactly a snowflake. It's not stylized. Sort by most relevant. Upload dates, exclude images. How do I like... Oh, never mind. This is Shutterstock. I'm out on Shutterstock. There's nothing free here. What the? Thank you for warning me. Again. Again. Yeah, there was one open source pixel art editor I wanted to try, but I've lost it. It's gone. There was like a bunch of shorts for it, and then now it's gone. I guess I guess we're just not having snowflakes. It's sad. I found a company called Snowflake. I found a game called Pixelorama, but it looks like Krita. That's an editor anyway. Well, I guess that's it. We're done. Time to get to work, I suppose. Well, no snowflakes today. Just work. Work, work, work. Sorry, I'm just preparing the other scene. Oh, it's already prepared. Oh, I'm a genius. So we head over here. So we were working on Godot stuff. Now the error we ran into last time was that The user check was failing for some reason. So let me make it big. Big. Work? Question mark? We're making it work, yeah. Salad. Yo! 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 The end. Oh, the stuff they did at the end of Stranger Things, not Stranger Things, Split Fiction. My God, I kind of wish I programmed that because it's so genius. It's fantastic. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, Split Fiction. It looks like a fucking amazing game. I would like to play it sometime. It's kind of genius. Twitch is struggling for you. Well, it's not struggling for me, so we're fine. Why is it struggling for you? That is the next question. Yeah, my bitrate is why is my bitrate 12,000? Wait, why is my bitrate 12,000? This is not right. Settings. Bitrate. Yeah, my bitrate is set to 5,500. If I put 2,000, hit apply to the bitrate, what happens to the bitrate? Okay, it's 2,000 now. Okay, let me put it back. Let me put it back. Well, I guess we don't need it that high. If it's at 2,000, oh, never mind. The internet's dying. Oh no. Oh no. Upload is in the bin. Sad face. There we go. I don't know if anyone's gonna see this. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. You can hear me, but I'm a slideshow. Well, let me stop streaming to YouTube for starters.